Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have recently got a lot of items from Amazon, so I just wanted to go through all of those. And these are mostly repurchases and maybe one or two are new purchases, and I'll be sharing short reviews about them. And yes, let's get started with today's video. Now this is the haul. Let me just show you the box. So this is a big box of items, and these are all skincare and haircare items. So let me just unbox it and share it. Now currently I am in Kolkata, and considering the humidity and the hot climate, I got two Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Water Gel. These are the two bottles I got, and this is an extremely good moisturizer, and it gives a dewy finish to your skin. If you have oily skin, if you have normal skin, you can definitely go for this one. Even if you have oily skin and you are in a very humid and hot place, I think you can definitely go for this. So this is a repurchase. I have been using the smaller version for quite some time, and I got this too. So this is the first one. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel contains glycerin as the third ingredient, and hence it is very hydrating and is suitable for almost all skin types during the summer. So you can definitely try using it, and it gives a dewy finish. The next repurchase which I have, again everyone's favorite, this is the COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin. I reviewed this long back, and I just got this too because these are very good hydrating under your moisturizer. So you can use this serum under your moisturizer even during the summer season and in the winter season, and it helps to get rid of your dark spots and also helps prevent acne to some extent. So I absolutely love this, so I got this too. So the COSRX Snail Mucin contains Snail Secretion Filtrate along with sodium hyaluronate, allantoin, arginine and panthenol. These are quite hydrating ingredients, and also it helps in lightening the dark spot to some extent. So it's everyone's favorite and it needs no explanation. Next I have the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. Now I have been using the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. I have reviewed it once already with a smaller pack, then I got a big pack, and then this is the third pack which I have got. So this is a very big pack. This priced at $9.99, but so if you prefer hydrating cleanser, you can definitely go for this. If you want a foaming cleanser, I will have separate recommendation, and maybe I'll recommend that in a different video. But as of now, I got this hydrating cleanser. I've been using this and I've been completely loving this, so got a big bottle. Now these products are also being shared with my family, so you can see like these are big, very big bottles. The next thing which I got are this Nivea Coco Nourish Oil in Lotion Dip Moisture Care. These are again like two bottles because you use this throughout the year, so I got this too. These are super hydrating lotions, and you can definitely go for that. Next I have got a new item, which is this Skin Renew Barrier Repair Peptide Moisturizer. This is by Skin Renew by Dr.V and Derma. Now if you follow on YouTube, this is by Vanita Rattan. So she is a dermatologist, a renowned dermatologist, and I have been following her since a long time, and yes, I got it, and this is absolutely nice moisturizer. I've been using it for the past 1 week and I am in love. It gets completely blended into your skin, and it doesn't give any oily finish, which is great. It can be used by all skin types, I feel, especially with oily skin types. It can be used by oily skin types. It has both like niacinamide and ceramide, so, and also peptide, so that is the reason I got this, and this is priced at $4.99. Like this is the maximum retail price, but you will get some discount again on Amazon. So this is the next product which I got. What is the Haircare Hair Growth Serum? This is a repurchase, and I have been using this. I have been facing a lot of hair fall after my pregnancy, and yes, I have been using this. So let's see, I will come up with a particular video especially on hair care and hair fall and how I am maintaining it. So yes, definitely, if you are interested, The next thing which I got is this L'Oreal Moisture 72-hour Moisture Sealing Conditioner. I have shown this multiple times on my channel, and this is again a repurchase because I've been using this, I've been loving this. So this is for dehydrated hair, and you can definitely go for this one. So for the body, I repurchased this Bodywise 1% Salicylic Acid body wash. I have emptied this one, and this is a repurchase, and I absolutely love the Bodywise body washes, and even the 5% niacinamide body wash is good. So both both the variants are having a very pleasant smell, and these are non-drying, which is why I love this body washes from Bodywise. Absolutely recommend them, even though I don't like their body lotions, but I like their body washes. The next product is this Carmesy natural deodorant roll-on with the floral scent, and these are also very pleasing, and this is again for my family. So yeah, these are those are mostly all of the products which I got in the haul. And yes, stay tuned for more videos coming in your way. I have been trying out a lot of new products, and I will definitely come up with more such videos. So yeah, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.